In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add QR codes to your Canva design. QR codes are a really handy way to connect your printed or digital designs to websites, sign-up forms, social media pages, and a lot more. Instead of typing a long link, people can just scan the code with their phone and instantly get to where you want them to go. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to generate a QR code directly inside Canva and place it into your design in a clean, professional way. First, open the design in Canva where you want to add your QR code. This could be a flyer, a business card, a poster, or even a social media graphic. Once your design is open on the screen, look over to the left-hand side of the editor. You'll see a vertical toolbar with options like elements, text, and so on. What you're looking for here is the Apps section. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps a lot of its extra tools and integrations, including the QR code feature. After clicking on Apps, you'll see a search bar at the top or near the top of the panel. In that search bar, type in the letters QR. You don't need to type the whole phrase, just QR is usually enough for Canva to show you the QR related tools. Give it a second and you should see something appear in the results related to QR codes. From the search results, look for the option labeled QR Code Generator. This is the built-in Canva app that creates QR codes for you. Click on QR Code Generator to open it on the side of your screen. A small panel will appear where you can paste the URL you want people to visit when they scan your code. Type or paste your link into the URL field. Make sure it's correct, because whatever you put there is exactly where your visitors will be sent. Once you've entered the link, use the Generate or similar button that appears in that panel. Canva will create a QR code and drop it right onto your design. From here, you can resize the QR code by dragging the corners, and you can move it around to place it where it fits best in your layout. Try to keep it large enough to scan easily and leave some blank space around it so phones can read it properly. When you're happy with the placement, you're done. You've successfully added a QR code to your Canva design, ready to be downloaded, printed, or shared online.